This is how you insert a chart into Word. So first you go to Insert, then you can go to Chart. You can pick your chart type, so I want to do column. I click on it, and it'll take me to Excel. Now I can move this right here to change the size of the chart. So let's say I want it to be 2x4 instead of 3x4. I move it. There. We can delete this. Now we can rename this too if we want to rename it. So I can say this is red. This is blue. Then category, I could do class 1, class 2, class 3, and class 4. Now I can change all the numbers. So let's say I want 5, 4, 6, 3, 2, 7, 8, 1. And now I go back to Word. It's already put into Word. Now I can change the title of it. Double clicking on chart title. Who likes what color? So I can change that. I can also add in different elements of the chart by going here to add chart elements. And you can pick all the different kinds. So I'm going to put in the legend. I can put in where I want it. So I want it on the left side. Click it. It'll go. I can also add in labels for the axes here. Chart titles, data labels, data table, arrow bars. So there's a lot you can do within it. In addition, you can also change the colors. And you can also change the design of the chart. So let's say I want it to be a black background. I can click that.